Now we'll of course explore how to write code in Next.js apps and how to build feature-rich Next.js applications throughout this course. But to get started already, let's make a first change. And for that you should go to that app folder, because I want to add a new second page, and I mentioned before that in Next.js, one advantage is that you configure routes simply with help of the file system, so by adding folders and files. And it's indeed in this app folder here, where you can add folders and files to add routes. This is the folder Next.js will scan to detect any routes that should be set up. And I'll explain what these different files here do in depth later in the course, of course. But to get started, let's add a new page by simply adding a new folder. And let's maybe name it Awesome. And let's in there add a new file, page.js. And this must be named page.js because it's this combination of a folder name and a page.js file that creates a new route in Next.js. And in that file, you can and should then simply export a standard React component function, because pages in Next.js are just React components, like Awesome Page, where the name of the component does not matter though. And here we could then return a main element where we have an h1 tag where we say Next.js is awesome, or something like this. And with that done, you can go back to your Next.js application and now visit localhost 3000/awesome, and you'll see this page content on the screen then. And that's how easy it is to add new pages in Next.js. And of course, the content of this page also was rendered on the server, as you can tell if you inspect the source code. You'll find the content in there. And that's there for our first, slightly edited Next.js project. As mentioned, we'll dive way deeper and explore all the amazing Next features throughout this course.